welcome to Dog Time episode 2. Thank you for joining me today in this video. Today's episode is called Dog Under a Blanket. As you can see, the dog is under a blanket. Let's give him a treat. Under the blanket. Dog. Hello, dog. Do you want a treat under the blanket? He's a good doggy. He's a good doggy. He's a good doggy. No. You stay under the blanket. Show is called Dog Under the Blanket. You must be under the blanket. The show is a lie. You will not make a liar out of me. That is all. Leave. Leave! Leave! This has been Dog Time episode 2. My name is Jorik. Thank you for watching.